the major Pran Pratishthan ceremony on January 22 at the new Ram Temple. I'm standing here at the entry of Hanuman Gadi, one of the main important spots. Everyone who comes for a darshan at the Ram Lalla Temple first goes to Hanuman Gadi. And right now on the streets, there are actually more police personnel and RAF personnel than even ordinary citizens that are visible. You can see that there is a whole unit of the RAF right next to me. And this is the main spot where a lot of the entry has now been barred for unregistered vehicles or vehicles that do not have prior permission. This is the route that the chief ministers, the dignitaries, and of course the prime ministers are going to be using. I want to show on the other side of the road, we also have a female RAF unit that is present. And this is that road that has been refurbished as well. You see on the other side, a lot of these shops have been given a very consistent facade. This is part of the upliftment that has been done as far as the entire Ayodhya region is concerned. A lot of the shops here, in fact, all the shops here in this 2-kilometer long road now have the same consistent facade to give this entire area a facelift. Of course, ahead from here where a checkpoint has been formed is the Hanuman Gadi. From there is the Ram Janmabhoomi temple as well. And a lot of security arrangements have now been done to ensure that there is no untoward movement that is allowed anymore. Lots of vehicles we've seen that are no longer being allowed inside. Of course, people are being allowed inside because regular darshans are still going on. And of course, a lot of the public lives here as well. But other than that, certainly as we get closer, 48 hours, 24 hours to go for that January 22 ceremony, not much is going to be allowed in that 1-2 kilometer radius from the Ram Janmabhoomi temple. So now I am at the Hanuman Gadi temple. You can see a lot of people that have collected here. There's also a lot of media. Of course, by routine, a lot of public comes here for darshan. They climb these stairs. There's a puja and bhajan going on as I speak. And this is all in the build-up, acquiring a very different atmosphere ahead of January 22 because a lot of people have come in. A lot of sadhu sons have actually come in and are staying around this area, which is already known for its divinity and its devotion. I have some young boys with me. आपने कुछ पंक्तियां लिखी हैं ये प्राण प्रतिष्ठान जो होने वाला है उसके ऊपर, तो सुनाइए।
कि मैं उंगली पकड़ के चलता हूँ तो किसकी चलता हूँ, मैं किसी वेदना की ज्वाला में न जलता हूँ, मैं किस विपरीत आंधियों में भी संभलता हूँ, आवश्यकता ही नहीं मुझको सहारे की कोई, मैं अपने राम की उंगली पकड़ के चलता हूँ, मैं अपने राम की उंगली पकड़ के चलता हूँ।
So you can see that there's a lot of emotion and there's a lot of fervor amongst the public here, young kids who've written a lot, and of course a lot of the people who are coming here to experience. A lot of the public here is actually just to experience what is going on right now. They want to talk, they want to express their feelings of, how long this wait has been ongoing for them. But of course, a lot of the devotees keep coming all the time here, and they also continue to be here. आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम हरियाणा से आए हैं।
आज ही आए हैं?
नहीं, हम कल आए हैं
जी, दर्शन के लिए आए हैं।
दर्शन के लिए, और बस अड्डे पे भंडारा भी लगाएंगे
जी।
20 जनवरी से लेके 20 मार्च तक भंडारा चलेगा। हनुमान गढ़ी में 26 तारीख से और उधर 20 तारीख से चालू हो जाएगा।
तो आज अभी आपने हनुमान जी के दर्शन?
हाँ, हनुमान जी के अभी साथ सभी दर्शन करके आए हैं।
अब राम जी के दर्शन करने?
हाँ, अब राम जी के जा रहे हैं दर्शन करने के लिए।
तो ये 22 जनवरी का जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है और राम मंदिर अब खुलने वाला है, उसमें क्या कहेंगे?
उसको तो मैं योगी को और मोदी जी को बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा, जो बहुत पुरानी, वर्षों पुरानी, 5 साल से चली आ रही इस लड़ाई को 22 तारीख को खत्म हो जाएगी।
लड़ाई खत्म हो जाएगी, यही इनका इमोशन है। एंड सो मेनी पीपल आर कमिंग from all across the country and they continue to do what needs to be done, which is do the darshan here at Hanuman Gadi and then of course at the Ram temple. You can see in front of me more and more security is coming in because that is also needed right now. The chief minister is also going to be doing darshan before the Pran Pratishtha ceremony. He anyways comes regularly. He's also supposed to be doing darshan at the Hanuman Gadi, take stock of the preparations and the situation. गुजरात अहमदाबाद से भी जगत गुरु स्वामी मेरे साथ हैं, वो आए हुए हैं। प्राण प्रतिष्ठा की सेरेमनी में आप भाग लेंगे, तो आप कितना एक्साइटेड हैं? वो सेरेमनी होने वाली है, आप हिस्ट्री का पार्ट बनने
आज का जो आपने जो पूछा है इतना सुंदर है, उसको गूंगे को कोई मिष्ठान खिला दो, इस तरह का वर्णन नहीं कर सकते। ये आनंद है, हमारे 4.5 लाख पूर्वजों का बलिदान, 5 वर्ष का संघर्ष, उसका परिणाम आप सब देशवासियों के सामने है। रामो विग्रहवान धर्म, भगवान श्री राम जी धर्म के विग्रह हैं। जो राम जी को नहीं देखते या राम जी जिसको नहीं देखते उसका जीवन और आत्मा को धिक्कार है। उन श्री राम जी के ही प्राण प्रतिष्ठा में जो हमें यहाँ पधारने का बुलाए गए हैं, हम अपने आप को, अपने जीवन को धन्य समझते हैं और ये हमारे पूर्वजों का बलिदान का परिणाम है। आज हम यहाँ खड़े हैं और राम जी की प्रतिष्ठा का जो कार्यक्रम है उसके साक्षी बनेंगे। हम अपने जीवन को धन्य मानते हैं।
जी बिल्कुल, क्योंकि बहुत से लोग आए हैं, हम भी यहाँ आए हैं, लेकिन बहुत कम लोग जो प्राण प्रतिष्ठान की जो सेरेमनी होगी, जो विधि विधान से होगा, उसकी साक्षी बनेंगे। आप उनमें से एक है। आप कौन से आश्रम से आए हैं? गुजरात से।
अपने राम जगत गुरु श्री रामानंदाचार्य पीठ, अहमदाबाद श्री कौशलेंद्र मठ तथा श्री शेष मठ, विश्राम द्वारका, पोरबंदर से यहाँ पर ठाकुर जी का विशेष अनुग्रह और कृपा प्रसाद हुआ कि हमें यहाँ बुलाया गया है। इस क्षण के साक्षी बनने के लिए हम बहुत ही आनंद मग्न हैं। ठाकुर जी की विशेष कृपा है और सभी देशवासी मिलकर श्री राम जी का जो आगमन है उसको श्री राम दीपावली के रूप में मनाएं, बंधु बांधवों के साथ। जो राम जी का जो ध्येय है, जीवन का जो आदेश है कि सबको समान हो, सबको प्रसन्नता मिले और जो समाज में ऊंच नीच व्याप्त है, विषय वासना व्याप्त है, भेद व्याप्त है, ये सब समाप्त हो और राम जी सबके हैं और हर्ष के साथ आप सब राम जी की जो ये दीपावली है उसको मनाइए। यही हमारा देश के बोले भारत माता की जय।
सीताराम 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 सीताराम।
I want to show you the work of face upliftment that has been done in Ayodhya, especially around the new Ram temple. A lot of public will be coming here. They are expecting about 1 lakh devotees every day from January 23. So behind me is one of the lanes that actually leads to the Ram temple. This is the one that comes from Hanuman Gadi to the Ram temple. And you can see this is a row of orange, beige shops now. They all have the same, outer facade. This has been done recently. There are lampposts with beautiful lamps that are that are actually lit even during the day, as we can see. Lots of flags, Bhagwa flags that are adorning the streets. And all the shopkeepers are obviously, using their new uplifted facades to display all of their stuff. A lot of the puja samagri, etc., that is sold here as you make your way to the Ram temple as well. So the footpaths, the roads, all of these have been redone. This is to ease and ensure that there is not only proper drainage, there is a lot of drainage work that has gone in here, but also, of course, that there is easy movement, both of passengers in vehicles and of pedestrians as well. And this work is obviously going to be continuing, but this is already giving Ayodhya a massive facelift ahead of January 22. And hopefully, as the temple also continues to get completed, Ayodhya will continue to look different as well. And now finally, we are right at the entrance of the Ram temple. This is the newly constructed and refurbished Ram Path behind me. You can see a lot of construction has gone on here. A lot of refurbishment has gone on here. This is one of the main routes that the public takes to get to the Ram temple. And on the other side, of course, is the main event, is the main thing that everybody is waiting for come January 22. All eyes are already on the new Ram temple building, which is behind me. This is where the Pran Pratishthan is going to take place. This is where the new idol is already in the Garbhagriha, and the Pran Pratishthan will happen. The existing Ramlala Virajman Chal Murti is already there as well. And this is where the darshan will now be possible post January 23. The new Ram temple has really caught everybody's imagination here in Ayodhya, but all across the country. Gifts are coming in for the Ram temple from all across the country. There are elements to be used in puja and other samagri that is being sent from all across the country as well. So safe to say it is not just Ayodhya, but it is all around the country and all around the world that the community is celebrating the Pran Pratishthan in the new Ram temple.